I wonder what today's special is.
Welcome, Jax and Jane.
Hello, Chef Alessandro. Cookies!
These are my oatmeal cookies.
Oh, is this a new dish?
Yes, it is, Jax. But I still have to decide if I want them to be today's special.
How will you make that decision, Chef Alessandro?
I believe a good dish is one that can please our senses. Let's describe the cookies. This will help us find out how good or bad these cookies are.
How do we describe a cookie?
You can describe any noun with adjectives, Jax.
Adjectives are words that tell us more about the size, shape, age, and number of a noun.
Numbers are adjectives too?
Yes, Jax. Numbers describe the exact amount of a noun. There are 7 cookies on this plate. 7 is an adjective that tells us the exact amount of cookies we have.
Thanks for helping me understand more about adjectives, Chef Alessandro.
We have to find out how these cookies look, smell, feel, and taste. Can adjectives also help us describe what we experience through our senses?
Of course, Jane. Sense words can help us describe how something looks, feels, sounds, smells, or tastes.
Oh, so sense words are very useful.
You're right, Jax. Sense words help us imagine exactly what we're talking about.
Let's look at the first question. How do the cookies look?
Words related to sight talk about the size, color, and shape of an object.
These cookies are golden brown in color.
It's the perfect color.
The cookies are small and round, too, making them all the more perfect.
What do we have to find next?
How do the cookies smell?
Sense words used for describing smell tell us whether the smell is pleasant or unpleasant. It smells delicious.
What does the questioner ask next?
How do the cookies feel on touch?
Go ahead and check how it feels on the inside and the outside. Make sure you use words related to touch, which tells us the temperature and texture of an object.
It feels hard on the outside. The inside of this cookie feels soft.
Hard on the outside, soft on the inside. This is the sign of a perfectly baked cookie.
And finally, the taste test.
Words related to taste tell us how something feels when we eat it.
It tastes sweet.
Fantastic! These cookies will satisfy anyone's sweet tooth. These oatmeal cookies are perfect. It should definitely be today's special.
Yay!
Your customers would love to eat them, Chef Alessandro.
Just as much as we do.
I'm glad you love my oatmeal cookies. Thanks for helping me, Jax and Jane.
What was that sound?
Oh, that shrill ding came from my oven. And it tells us that the next batch of my oatmeal cookies is baked and ready to eat.
I see.
So, another batch of cookies are ready to be served.
And you two can have all of them.
That's very generous of you, Chef Alessandro.
Oh, you deserve it, Jax and Jane. It's the least I can do for all your help.
Thank you,
Chef
Chef
Alessandro. Cheers! It's so delicious.